will the growing divide between rich and poor shape the 2024 elections and the future of democracy? I'm Dr. Marvin Suesse of the Department of Economics at Trinity College Dublin. According to our data, inequality has been increasing across Western countries since at least the 1980s. This has been due to at least three big trends. That's the deregulation of markets, ensuing globalization, and the reform of social welfare systems. We are seeing a momentous realignment of political forces and ideas right now. People are looking for new economic programs to deal with these challenges. Should we tax the rich and redistribute income? Should we erect barriers to globalization against trade and migration? Should the state once again become involved in running the economy? These questions that seem to have been settled 2 decades ago are now up for grabs. What makes these economic questions about inequality particularly explosive in the context of the upcoming US elections is that they intersect with a whole array of political questions about cultural norms and identity. In that sense, inequality is not just about how much you earn, but also about how you identify your place within society and who gets to belong to that society. If you're interested in exploring these questions, join me on October the 3rd at Trinity College Dublin. We'll see you there.